I resonate with the warrior vibration in my blueprint today. I resonate with the warrior vibration in my blueprint today. I resonate with the warrior vibration in my blueprint today. That's right, friends and neighbors. I'm Gandharva, and this is the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations for Tuesday. Tuesday, Warrior Day, Strength Day, Courage Day, Inspiration Day, Willpower Day, Mars Day. Mars, right? The red planet. It's a day to say what you mean and mean what you say. It's Charlie Haden Day, the great spiritual warrior, great jazz bass player, great improvisational music legend. There he is with his Liberation Music Orchestra. Charlie fought for causes. Yeah. There he is up there. And here's what he had to say. When I put my bass down, I'm in trouble. When I put my bass down, I'm in trouble. He's not in treble, but he's in trouble. When I put my bass down, I'm in trouble. That's when the challenge starts, because you have to learn how to be the kind of person you are when you're playing. That's the hard part. You have to learn to be the kind of person you are when you're playing. That's the hard part. Because when you're playing, you're true to yourself. You're true to the music. That takes strength. That takes willpower. It takes more strength and willpower to be true to yourself when you're not playing music, or with whatever else you do, right? With whatever you do that you're really engaged in, where time stops, you forget about everything, right? That could be your work, it could be a hobby, whatever it is for you. But when you're not doing that, the challenge comes to experience life in the same way, to be the same as you are when you are fully engaged in that thing that you really love. That's what he's saying. And that's what being a warrior is all about. Being engaged at the times where you ordinarily wouldn't be engaged so much. Warrior is aware all the time, because anything could happen at any moment. And you have to be ready to respond. Study the martial arts and you'll know what being a warrior is all about. So today, put on your Charlie Haden t-shirt, put on some Charlie Haden music. He's got so many great records and of his own, and he played with Ornette Coleman and lots of people. So put on some Charlie Haden. Stay strong today, ladies and gentlemen. Stay strong. Stay strong. Stay independent. It's Independent Tuesday. Don't let anybody tell you who you are, who they think you are, or what they want you to be. Just be you. Be your blueprint. Be your life blueprint. And if you don't know your life blueprint, find it out today. I'm here.